which is the state bird and animal of Goa. Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Education. The state bird of Goa is flame-throated bulbul. Yes, it's a beautiful bird only found in the Western Ghats and the southern India. It is found in the dense forest and the coffee plantation area. It is also called yellow-throated bulbul. The state animal of Goa is gaur. It's a wild cattle listed in the first schedule of Indian Wildlife Act as endangered. According to iucn list, it is vulnerable. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.